Hello and welcome to this special coverage of the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open Golf Championship 2024. The event was held at Noida Golf Course. Here we present to you the highlights of the action-packed 4 days. This was the 7th event of the 2024 Tata Steel PGTI season. It was an exciting outing where Veer Alawat came from behind to secure the title on the final day. This was a continuation of his great form this season. The win extended his lead as number 1 on the Tata Steel PGTI ranking. The Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open Golf Championship 2024 was played at Noida Golf Course from April 10th to 13th. The tournament offered a total prize purse of Rs 1 crore. This was the 6th edition of the event. A number of prominent Indian professionals such as 2024 Indian Open runner-up Veer Alawat, SSP Chaurasia, Ajitesh Sandhu, former champion Manu Gandas, Rashid Khan, Aman Raj, and defending champion Gaurav Pratap Singh were among the participants. Udayan Mane and Hani Baisoya were the other former champions in the fray. Apart from Veer Alawat, Manu Gandas, Rashid Khan, Gaurav Pratap Singh and Hani Baisoya, the other leading golfers from the Delhi NCR region participating in the event were Sachin Baisoya, Shamim Khan, Abhinav Lohan and Amardeep Malik. The well-known foreign names in the field included Sri Lankan Zen Thangaraja and K. Prabhakaran, Bangladeshis Jamal Hossain and Badal Hossain, and Andorra's Kevin Steve Rigel. The list also included rookies like PGTI qualifying school winner Matias Dominguez of Chile, Nepal's Subhas Tamang, Italy's Michele Ortolani and Czechia's Stepan Danik. The event was supported by PGTI's store partners Tata Steel, Rolex, Amrutanjan, Electro Plus, Nissan Motor India, Bisleri, Golf Plus Monthly, Athletic Drive and Golf Design India. Ajitesh Sandhu is a familiar figure in the circuit despite not playing in India very regularly. A product of the PGTI, he knows this tour very well. This was his 3rd event in India this year. After a poor start, Ajitesh came back with a sparkling 2nd round. He was steady enough after that to finish 4th. Sometimes the going gets tough even for the seasoned pros. It was Ajitesh's turn to experience that in the first round of the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open 2024. The winner of many laurels began with a forgettable round of 3 over 75. This included 5 bogeys. At tied 70th, he was staring at an early exit. Trust Ajitesh to turn things around in the most stunning way possible. The 35-year-old birdied the first hole. He picked up 2 more on the 3rd and 4th. The birdies started coming thick and fast. By the 14th hole, he had carded 7 of them. It was a bogey-free round of 7 under 65. From nowhere, Ajitesh zoomed up to tied 8th, 5 shots behind the lead. Ajitesh is a winner on the Asian Tour. He also has 4 PGTI titles to his credit. He knows how to make the most of it when the form is good. He had to hang in there and get a good score in the 3rd round. A round of 4 under was just that. It was 5 birdies and a solitary bogey. Ajitesh was still 5 shots behind the leader, but he had moved up to tied 5th. The player from Chandigarh knew that he did not have a realistic chance to win. At the same time, he had a chance to improve his position. He had done well already to come this far after that poor first round. Despite starting with a bogey, Ajitesh made an eagle and 5 birdies in the final round. After that eagle on the par 5 14th, he had a day's tally of 5 under. A top 3 was on the cards at this point.
Perfectly done in the middle of the hole this time, choosing to actually find the center, not doing a 360 and getting it in.
But the bogeys came back to slow him down. He dropped a shot on the 15th, and just when it seemed like he had recovered with a birdie on 17th, he bogeyed the 18th. The second successive 4 under gave Ajitesh a 4-day tally of 12 under. He earned Rs 4,99,000 for finishing sole 4th.
It was like action replay for Yashash Chandra looking for his first PGTI title. He had finished 3rd at the previous event in Chandigarh. It was a very similar script for him at the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open 2024. Starting the final day with a chance of winning the title, Yashash once again fell short and finished 3rd.
It rained birdies and bogeys for Yashash in the first round. He had an impressive tally of 6 birdies, but 3 bogeys and a double bogey on the par 5 14th all but undid the good work. Compared to the day's best of 6 under, Yashash's 1 under was insignificant. He was tied 23rd along with 8 others after the first day of action. Like in Chandigarh, Yashash had a cracker of a second round. That week, he had carded a 6 under. This time, the player from Mysuru registered an even better 8 under to turn the tournament on its head. It remained the best score of the tournament and made him the joint leader with 2 others. His spectacular round included an eagle, 8 birdies and 2 bogeys. Yashash was on song on the par 5 holes.
Yeah, well holed, young man.
Very, very well done by Yashash. So 2 birdies on number 3 by our leader group.
On the 4 par 5 holes, he made an eagle and 3 birdies. He sank a 25-footer for an eagle on the 8th. There were 2 more birdies from a range of 12 to 15 feet. He made a strong finish with birdie, eagle and birdie on the last 3 holes. Yashash needed a solid 3rd round to stay in contention for the title. A 3 under ensured that he got 1. He once again mastered the par 5s with 3 birdies and an eagle. The eagle came on the 14th, the same hole where he had made a double bogey in the first round. But for 3 bogeys, he would have done better.
I'm not sure he's very confident about the read on this part. Let's see. Yeah, no mistakes there. Yeah, so that's a little bit of change on the top of our leaderboard.
Nevertheless, finishing the 3rd day on 1 shot behind the leader was good going. After turning pro in 2018, Yashash finished in the top 10 a number of times. He never won a title. Soon after Chandigarh, here was another chance. The 29-year-old made a dream start. There was a hat-trick of birdies on the first 3 holes. 1 more on the 8th gave him a day's tally of 4 under after the front 9. Yashash was well and truly in with a chance of winning the title. That's when his game started falling apart. It was exactly the same in Chandigarh, where Yashash lost the plot on the back 9. 1 more birdie was no compensation for 3 bogeys. 2 of those bogeys came on the 16th and 17th holes. 2 under in the 4th round was just not enough. Yashash had to settle for sole 3rd for the 2nd successive week. It was the 6th career top 3 for him. He received Rs 5,99,000 and moved to 10th on the order of merit.
Very well holed by Yashash.
All in all, a good week for Yashash. He was well and truly in it.
This is Steel, and this is an idea. What happens when we join them? Something fantastic. Like Pravesh doors that never age, that save our forests, or customizable artiphone wardrobes that match your personality and are redefining modern homes. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
Show me the sunset. You make me happy. We wanna go there. It's beautiful. Let's go.
Magnite. Be celebrated with the big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite.
ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है। ये मुझको आज क्या हुआ है, ये झूमता ही जा रहा है। हम कहाँ हैं, तुम कहाँ हो, दिल कहाँ पे होशी।
Bisleri, drink it up.
This is Tata Steel, and this is an idea. So what happens when you join them? Something remarkable, like the material of the future. Fiber-reinforced polymers that goes beyond steel, that is high on strength and corrosion resistance, and is cost-effective. A material that will be used in foot overbridges, the insides of railway compartments, and electric vehicles, as also in infrastructure for smart cities. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
What a great shot! But he looks tired. And that's a drinks break.
But what's the plus sign for? Amrutanjan Electro Plus. जब लगे थकान वाली प्यास, जरूरी है सेल लेवल हाइड्रेशन. इसके इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आपके सेल्स को रिहाइड्रेट करें, एनर्जी लौटाएं, थकान वाली प्यास मिटाएं.
जब आपको भी लगे थकान वाली प्यास, अमृतांजन इलेक्ट्रो प्लस. थकान वाली प्यास के लिए.
पुरानी वर्सेस नई, कौन सी पेंशन स्कीम सही?
आपका हर सवाल सीधा होता है.
सरकारी नौकरी करे यानी कि देश सेवा करे, उसको पैसे देने की बात आए तो गुणा भाग और अर्थव्यवस्था समझाई जाती है.
पक्ष या विपक्ष, सीधे सवालों के साथ संदीप चौधरी आपको रखे आगे. सीधा सवाल रोज शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ ABP न्यूज पर. ABP न्यूज आपको रखे आगे.
It was so near yet so far for Manu Gandas. He was the sole leader after the third round. The going was fine for him on the final day. A clutch of birdies raised hopes of a second title in the season. Then came a bogey on the 18th. Manu saw it slip away from his grasp. He finished second.
Having spent the previous season playing on the DP World Tour, Manu has made his presence felt in India this year. The 2022 Tata Steel PGTI ranking champion started with a 4-under despite suffering a double bogey. That error on the par 3 16th notwithstanding, he was 2 shots behind the leader and tied second after the opening round. The second day was quite in comparison. Manu had an eagle, 2 birdies and 1 bogey. The eagle came on the par 5 first. There was a stretch of 12 holes where the pro from Gurugram went with par. With a tally of 7 under, the winner of the inaugural event of the season was 2 shots behind the leaders. He was in sole possession of the 4th spot. The third round belonged to the 28-year-old. He scorched the course with 6 birdies on a bogey-free day to storm into the lead. The birdies came on the first, 7th, 8th, 12th, 14th and 18th holes. Manu hit most of the fairways and greens. His excellent iron shots and chipping helped him land it within 5 feet on the 4 occasions for birdies. He also did well to get out of trouble and salvage par on the 16th and 17th. The first was a 25 feet putt and the other a terrific chip.
Manu Gandas capping off a wonderful round 3 indeed.
With a 1-shot lead, Manu was set for the final day.
moving to the top of the leaderboard.
He's with flat birdies, takes him to 13 under, 6 under today, the low round of the day.
The winner of 8 PGTI titles got off to an excellent start. He birdied the first 2 holes. Although Manu dropped shots on the 6th and 7th, 4 more birdies between the 11th to 17th holes made him the joint leader.
Manu is taking dead aim, buddy. I told you. I could see it I could see it. I had this really sneaky suspicion he was going to do that.
But then he bogeyed the 18th. It was a par 4 hole. Manu had made a birdie on the 18th in the 3rd round. On the first 2 days, he had made par.
That's turn of tables there. I feel maybe he didn't have the best of lives, or he was just trying to be a little too cute with that shot.
On this fateful day, he saw his title hopes disappear on that very hole. The title was decided in dramatic fashion, and it was not going to Manu. He was richer by rupees 10 lakh for finishing sole second. Manu continued in second position on the order of merit with total earnings of rupees 48 lakhs 31,000.
Runner-up Manu Gandas with scores of 68, 69, 66 and 69 for a total of 16 under 272. He takes away a prize money check worth rupees 10 lakh.
Veer Alawat has been on song this season. Not a regular in India in the last 2 years, he is leading the order of merit after playing just 4 events. That's due largely to his second place finish at the Hero Indian Open. Either sharing the lead or maintaining his position in the top 3 on the first 3 days, he zoomed past the field in the last round.
Before coming to the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open 2024, Veer had been in great touch. After finishing tied 5th at an event co-sanctioned by the PGTI and Challenge Tour and ending tied 2nd at the Hero Indian Open, his confidence was on a high. That was evident from his scores in every round at Noida Golf Course. Veer was in the leading pack all through and stormed ahead of the rest on the final day. He started with a 4 under. 5 more players returned the same score in the first round. The highlight of Veer's round was a series of 4 successive birdies from the 4th to 7th. He made 7 birdies in all. Bogeys on the 16th and 18th prevented him from getting a better score. He was in the chasing pack, sharing the second spot 2 shots behind the leader. The 28-year-old fared even better in terms of birdies in the second round. He carded 4 on the front 9 and 4 more on the back 9. Once again, he made bogeys on the back 9. He was still 5 under for the day. This made him the joint leader along with Angad Cheema and Yashish Chandra. The third round was an average one by Veer's standard. The player from Gurugram made a double bogey on the par 4 6th. He suffered another bogey and carded 5 birdies. The day's tally of 2 under affected his position on the leaderboard. From joint leader, he slipped to 3rd. The gap between him and the leader was 2 shots. A winner of 2 PGTI titles previously, Veer knew he stood a chance on the final day. He came out all guns blazing and completed a bogey-free round of 6 under. At 6'4", He is one of the tallest players on the circuit. Veer was head and shoulders above the field on the final day. Veer had a confidence-boosting start. He made a birdie and an eagle on the first 2 holes. Accurate tee shots were the hallmark of these efforts. The eagle 2 on the par 4 second came after he found the fringe of the green with his drive and then chipped in.
Yes, very straightforward chip there. See?
And that's perfectly done by Veer Alawat. Oh, we are seeing some hole outs now.
Yeah, this was probably the easiest chip you will get on that green.
He collected 3 more birdies on the 8th, 10th and 14th. He then had a few birdie opportunities on the 16th and 17th where he missed putts. Veer had a stroke of luck on the 18th where his drive bounced out of the hazard and ended up off the fairway 50 yards from the flag. He then landed 815 feet from the pin.
He's coming up under the hole there, so
He's good, yeah. You should just go ahead and finish it off.
Before making a 2-putt for victory.
Veer now just making sure he knows exactly where he's aligned, what he's doing. This putt.
Pretty routine. Yeah, and that's your winner of the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open, Veer Alawat, after his really good showing at the Indian Open this year, finishing 2nd.
Veer felt he played a solid day of golf. He was happy with his tee shots, hitting and putting. He was also pleased with the birdie eagle start and said that the chip in for eagle set up the day for him.
Veer Alawat, our winner this week, scores of 68, 67, 70 and 66 for a total of 17 under 271.
The winner's purse of rupees 15 lakh further cemented Veer's position at the top of the order of merit. Veer is leading the race with season's earnings of rupees 88 lakhs 82,000. He has a lead of more than 38 lakhs over his nearest rival Manu Gandas. The newly married player said he was delighted to have his wife walk all 18 holes with him. No wonder Veer said she had been his good luck charm.
This win is really special. My parents, they saw me win for the first time. This is like the best feeling to win in front of parents, and my mom was there, and to win in front of her as a pro is like the biggest achievement for me. My wife's there, really lucky for me. And thank you to the sponsors, Nissan, Noida Golf Course. Thank you for giving us the golf course.
This is Steel, and this is an idea. What happens when we join them? Something fantastic. Like Pravesh doors that never age, that save our forests, or customizable Artiphone wardrobes that match your personality and are redefining modern homes. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
Show me the sunset. You make me happy. We wanna go there. It's beautiful. Let's go.
Magnite. Be celebrated with the big, bold, beautiful Nissan Magnite.
ये रात में जो मजा है, मजा ये कुछ नया नया है. ये मुझको आज क्या हुआ है, ये झूमता ही जा रहा है. हम कहाँ हैं, तुम कहाँ हो, दिल कहाँ पे होश ये.
Bisleri, drink it up. This is Tata Steel, and this is an idea. So what happens when you join them? Something remarkable, like the material of the future. Fiber reinforced polymers that goes beyond steel. that is high on strength and corrosion resistance and is cost effective. A material that will be used in foot overbridges, the insides of railway compartments and electric vehicles, as also in infrastructure for smart cities. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
What a great shot! But he looks tired. And that's a drinks break.
But what's the plus sign for? Amrutanjan Electro Plus. जब लगे थकान वाली प्यास, जरूरी है सेल लेवल हाइड्रेशन. इसके इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स आपके सेल्स को रिहाइड्रेट करें, एनर्जी लौटाएं, थकान वाली प्यास मिटाएं.
जब आपको भी लगे थकान वाली प्यास, अमृतांजन इलेक्ट्रो प्लस. थकान वाली प्यास के लिए.
पुरानी वर्सेस नई, कौन सी पेंशन स्कीम सही?
आपका हर सवाल सीधा होता है.
सरकारी नौकरी करे यानी कि देश सेवा करे, उसको पैसे देने की बात आए तो गुणा भाग और अर्थव्यवस्था समझाई जाती है.
पक्ष या विपक्ष, सीधे सवालों के साथ संदीप चौधरी आपको रखे आगे. सीधा सवाल रोज शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर. एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे.
Before the professionals got busy with the main event, the Pro-Am competition of the Nissan Presents Delhi NCR Open 2024 was held on April 9. Like in all other PGTI events, the amateurs had a field day playing alongside the top professionals in the country.
The Pro-Am event was won by Delhi-based professional Rashid Khan and his team consisting of amateurs Mr. Anil Dev, Mr. Rishi Sahai, Mr. Rajan Vadwan. They posted a score of 53.3. Professional Abhinav Lohan helped his team finish second with a score of 54. The amateurs in his team were Ms. Simran Bajaj, Ms. Dimple Singh Kochar and Mr. Umesh Dubey. The prize for the straightest drive on hole number 13 was won by Mr. Amit Misra. He landed the ball on the centre of the fairway. Ms. Naira Singh won the closest to the pin contest on hole number 3. Her shot landed 11 feet from the hole. The closest to the pin on hole number 10 was won by Mr. Nihar Gurwani. He landed it 5 feet from the hole. The prize for the longest drive on hole number 9 was won by Mr. Rajkumar Bishnoi. He cleared a distance of 316 yards.